Are you ready to take control of your financial future, but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to start investing as a beginner in 2025, step by step without any confusing jargon. Let's make your money work for you. Why should you invest? Investing is like planting seeds for your future. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Whether you want to save for retirement, buy your dream home, or just beat inflation, investing is your ticket to financial freedom. The three main investment options in 2025. Let's talk about the most popular ways to invest in 2025 and which ones might be right for you. 1. Money. Index funds. Simple and reliable index funds are beginner-friendly. They're like owning a piece of the entire stock market. For example, the S&P 500 fund includes the top 500 companies in the U.S. It's low risk, has steady growth, and is perfect for long-term wealth building. 2. Gold, safe haven. Investment. Gold is like a safety net for your money. It doesn't grow as fast as stocks, but it holds its value during inflation or uncertain times. You can invest in physical gold, ETFs, or even apps that let you buy fractional gold. 3. Cryptocurrency. High risk, high reward crypto is still a hot topic in 2025. Bitcoin and Ethereum remain the most reliable options. But remember, this market is highly volatile. If you're just starting, keep crypto as a small part of your portfolio, like 5 to 10%. How to start investing today. Now that you know your options, here's how to actually get started. Step 1. Set clear goals. Are you saving for retirement, a house, or just trying to grow your money? Step 2. Pick an investment platform like Robinhood, Vanguard, or Fidelity for stocks, or Binance for crypto. Step 3. Start small. Even $20 a month can grow into something significant over time. Tips for beginners. Here are some golden rules to keep in mind as a beginner investor in 2025. 1. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one investment. 2. Invest consistently. A little every month is better than waiting for the perfect time. 3. Focus on the long term. Markets will rise and fall, but patience is key. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your investing questions. I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.